everyone, thank you and welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and today I'm going to make this easy peasy DIY the altered card with mixed media. So for that, first of all, I have taken this A4 size sheet and I'm going to fold it in the half just like that. I already did with one of my sheet, and now I'm going to take this paper pack Time to Celebrate with graphic 45, and I'm going to choose two designer sheets from this paper pack. So one is this one and the second one I'm going to choose this one. So I'm just going to paste over it. So before I do that, let's decorate this one. So I already cut these two pieces from this sheet and it is around 2.5 by 1 inches. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here, and over that I already cut it a little bit more, in the size, and it's around like 3.5 inches, and I just cut it from the sides. Okay, so now I'm going to mark my paper and I'm going to apply the brick design with the help of my stencils from Expression Craft and my texture paste from Tex. So I'm just going to apply it here, just on that area which I already marked as I showed you with the help of pencil. And then after doing it, I'm going to do it a little bit here and there as well. So I'm going to apply here as well and there too. I hope you are understanding what I'm telling you, and I hope you are enjoying this tutorial, and it would be a great pleasure for me if you try this one and do share with me. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more here, like just like that. Yes, so this is done. Now I'm going to spray it a little bit, and it's a kind of coffee color. If you don't have this kind of paint, you can use your coffee as well. I'm going to spray a little bit water and let it dry, or you can use your heat gun to dry it fast. So I already used the heat gun as well. So I'm just going to dip it here and there so that it can move around. I'm going to use a little bit more, and after drying I'm going to paste this one. So for this one, I already used the double-sided tape, as I told you, because we want to make it like 3D. So it's going to be looking like absolutely amazing with that. And this one I'm going to paste a little bit upside. And this design I got it from the Heartfelt Creations, and I already die cut it, so I'm going to paste it later on. And I'm going to use this so that our mantle can be made with the help of this. I'm using my B6000. I'm going to paste it over here. You can use heat glue gun as well, or any heavy glue, so that it can be pasted easily. And I'm going to put this one here, just like that. So I just want to have some design over here, so I'm going to put that, and you need to hold it for a little bit so that it can dry easily and fastly. And after that, I'm going to use here something else as well. So we are going to decorate this area, that area with the help of a lot of things. So I already put this cake part at one side. I'm going to put it another side, because now we want to design our mantle. I'm also pasting this with this B6000, this flower. It is a lace flower. I got it from the lace. And the second thing, I'm going to paste this one as well here, and the flowers around. It's going to look very lovely when you paste it. Okay, so just keep everything ready and paste everything nicely. And I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. It's so easy and so nice, and people gonna love it if you give them on their birthday. So this is the angel. This is resin embellishment. I just applied a little bit of Finnabair wax, and then I'm going to use my brush to cover it up. Now this is the mini little cute basket. I put the flower inside that, and I also using this metal embellishment and the flower pot here, and that's it. So our 3D items are already put on our mantle. And oh yes, I also use this little bottle at the end. So now the watch I'm going to paste, so I just put it over here, that how it's gonna look. And after that, I'm going to paste the swatch. I already put the flowers, and this is my die cut from Tim Holtz. I put this lady in the middle. I already put it, so I paste everything. And now the last thing I'm going to do is paste this little embellishment here, and it moves as well. Okay, and this one, last one, is here. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you make it, do let me know, and I hope everyone loves it. So this is how it looks at final stage. Thanks for watching.